Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A16. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. Now, from this menu you can change between light and dark mode, enable auto switch, change brightness level, or enable or disable auto brightness. Then you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, auto rotate screen, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change screen color temperature between cooler, default or warmer, font and display size, and manage screen display for front camera display by app and full screen display by app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.